Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiana, and in today's video I'm going to be starting a college weekend in my life. So today is Friday. It is 8:30-ish, so it's like just the start of my weekend basically. It's 8:23, so I'm really excited for this video. I've never done a vlog that covers multiple days, but today, or tonight actually, I'm just going to get dinner with my roommate at Chili's, and then tomorrow we have a football game, so I will bring you along with me to that. And we're just gonna have a really fun weekend, so that is the plan. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on shoes so that we can go get food. But I'm really excited for this video, and I have a lot of different things to do and show you guys. Oh yeah, of course, before we get started, subscribe if you haven't already, and then you can also follow me on Instagram. And before I go to Chili's, if you have never watched any of my videos before, I am a junior at the University of North Texas. I am a marketing major, so I'm in the College of Business. Those are usually the questions that I get asked when I film college related stuff. But that's all about me, and that's it for this clip. So I will pick this back up when we are at Chili's eating dinner. Alright, so I just got home from Chili's, and I'm with my roommate Ashley, so here she is. She only got like 3-4 hours of sleep, so she's a little delirious, but I cleaned my room, so it's looking a lot better than it was before, but here it is. And she's just on the ground. Okay, I think that's the best angle I can probably get. But that is what we are doing. So it's 10:36 on a Friday night. There's nothing to do. So anyways, while I'm here, I just wanted to talk about my day a little bit. So I went to Target and I got this new Versed, the Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel. So this has lactic and glycolic acid. I'm gonna try this out tonight when I do my skincare. I am gonna show you a little skincare routine in this video. So we have that. Are we going to the gym?
Make up your mind.
Actually, I should probably do my homework.
Okay.
Do you want to do homework together? Do you want to sit and surf the web while I do my homework?
Ew.
Okay, but
Oh, look on the black marking.
do you actually want to? Imagine if we went to the library right now.
Dude, we did that one time, remember?
Do you want to go? I'll drive us if you want to go to the library.
Yeah, we can.
So, we decided we're not going to the gym because I have homework. I think we actually might go to the library, which is actually so random. I'm sure if you clicked on a college weekend my life video, you were not thinking that I was going to go to the library on a Friday night. But I promise tomorrow is going to be super fun. Tomorrow I am going to take you guys to a football game, so that's going to be really fun, I promise. But at least you guys will get to see what the library looks like. So I think we're probably just gonna go there now. I'm just gonna pack my backpack. Why is it blurry? Hi vlog, so it is currently 12:19 a.m. on Saturday, and we are still at the library. I just finished some of my homework, and now this is an ASMR video. But the library is closing at 1 a.m. so we're gonna go home. So I just got back from the library and I finally took a shower. I feel so much more clean and refreshed. It's actually like 1:30 a.m. right now, but it's never too late to do a skincare routine, so I'm just gonna do some skincare real quick. My face is clean. I just washed it in the shower, and I'm actually gonna be trying out this new mask. So this is from Alya Skin, and this is what it looks like. It's just their little pink perfect Australian pink clay mask. It's supposed to detoxify and brighten your face. So they did send this to me for free to review for you guys. I've actually used it once before. I used it when I first got it, and I'm also going to use it in this video. I've actually really been liking it, surprisingly. Usually I'm really picky with face masks, but I'm just supposed to spread this on my face for 10 minutes, spread it on my face, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. First, I need to tie back my hair. So this is my skin up close. It just has like a little bit of like stuff going on right now, like right here and here. And then I had this little white head and I just kind of popped it gently. I gently popped it. You're not really supposed to do that, but I just felt like it, so I did it anyways. But now I'm just gonna put on this mask. It smells really nice, but now I'm just gonna put this on. Okay, so now my mask is on and it feels really nice on my skin. I think the company might have given me a discount code. I have to check my email real quick. So I checked my phone and I have a 15% off coupon code. So if you use code tiana.lauren, I'll have it on the screen. You can get 15% off. And I will have all of the links in the description box down below. But I did really enjoy using this the last time that I used it. And hopefully it can kind of help like with my little pores and stuff that I have going on. It's really like gentle, but it also kind of pulls everything out of my face. I really like it, but I'll be back to show you the results when I'm done. You know what? I'm actually back and the mask is still drying and everything, but I figured since I'm already waiting around for this mask to dry, I might as well whiten my teeth at the same time because I'm being efficient. So I'm actually just gonna use this new teeth whitening kit that I got. So this is called Nova Shine. It's a professional teeth whitening kit. I have never tried it before. I used to use the Crest whitening strips though, and those made my teeth really sensitive. So I am gonna be testing this out, and I guess tomorrow you'll see some results and I'll tell you if it made my teeth sensitive or not. But it came in this little box, so it's really cute. And there's two other boxes. I've never opened this before, so we are both in for a surprise. But I did kind of want to do some like whitening work on my teeth. I do have veneers, so these two teeth here are my veneers, and I whitened my teeth before I got them put on, and that was a couple of years ago. So I want to like maintain the whiteness of my other teeth, my surrounding teeth, so that they also match my veneers. But anyways, that was all besides the point. But this is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna be trying it out. And okay, so we have this mouthpiece. So I did kind of look at their Instagram a little bit, and the cool thing about this is that it's an LED light, and you put the whitening gel in here, and then you plug this part into your phone. So let me see. So basically it uses your phone's battery to operate the LED light. So let me just go ahead and plug this in. And I think it has, yeah, it has different ones. So like obviously I have an iPhone, so I'm gonna put the iPhone one into here. Oh, okay, so it has to be, your phone has to be unlocked for it to stay on. That is really bright. But first I'm supposed to put on the whitening gel. Apply whitening gel to upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece. Place mouthpiece in your mouth and bite down lightly. You can use it for up to 30 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 15 because I don't want to risk my teeth getting any more sensitive than they already are. So it comes with these little syringes. It looks really official and professional, but I think you just pop this off. Okay. Oh, I have a little itch right there. Let me just put some whitening gel. Oh, squirted out a lot. I have to like evenly do it. Okay. And this gel smells really good. Alexa, set a 15-minute timer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my mouth. I won't be able to talk, so you'll just have to see what happens.
Hey vlog. So Tiana's whitening her teeth. Tiana's whitening her teeth and I am watching TikTok videos. Also it is 2 a.m. so I don't really know why we're still awake.
Why do you break like that?
All right, so it has been 15 minutes. I used the Nova Shine kit, so now I have to rinse it out and make sure I clean it and everything for the next time that I want to use it. it tasted really nice and minty. So this is mint flavor. These are my results for the first time using it. Obviously you'd have to keep using it, but I'm not trying to get my teeth super duper white because I just need them to be as white as my veneers are. So this is going to be something that I use here and there to like touch up, and I did really like it. So thank you Novashine for letting me try this out. So now I'm done washing my face and drying it. These are my results from the face mask. My face feels really nice and tight and clean. I think my pores are looking a little bit better. Obviously I still have these spots. Hopefully they go away by tomorrow. I do have some spot treatment and different things to use on them, but overall I really like using this mask from Alya Skin, so I would recommend it. And if you want, you can use my discount code tiana.lauren for 15% off. Don't forget to check the links in the description box. I'll link pretty much everything I use in the video. Hopefully I don't forget, but I'll definitely make sure to link the mask as well as the tooth whitening kit in case y'all want to try those out for yourselves. But now we're just gonna do the rest of my skincare. I bought this today at Target. It is a overnight facial peel. So basically with this, I think you just, it says smooth a thin layer onto clean product free skin, leave on overnight. Now I'm going to put on the facial peel. So excited for this. I hope that it helps my pores and everything, like this and this and this. So let's just put that on. Is that good? I think that's good. Just smooth it onto my face. It's really nice. Nice texture, very hydrating. The last things that I'm gonna do are just brush my teeth and probably get in bed, considering that it is 2:09 a.m. So I will see you guys in the morning when I pick up this vlog and show you the football game and all of that fun stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna go to bed. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. Now I'm getting ready for tailgate and my big is here. Ashley is with her parents because it's parents weekend, but I
didn't want to come.
Yeah, my mom didn't want to come. Hi mom, if you're watching this. But we were just getting ready and I did some homework before this, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing my makeup, and then when I'm done with that I will show you my outfit. Okay, so I'm back. Excuse my messy room, but this is the outfit that I decided to wear. So I just have on my Brandy Melville little crop top. It's just a black crop top, and then I have on a green skirt from Shein. This was so cheap. It was only like $13, I think. And then lastly, I just have on some Steve Madden, what are these? These are like platform sandals, I think. But this is my outfit. It's not my favorite outfit that I've ever had, but I did kind of leave a lot of my clothes at home, unfortunately. So that is it for this clip, and then I will see you guys when I'm at the game. Hi vlog, so we are back. Ashley is with me. She took a little break yesterday because she was hanging out with her parents. But to update you guys, I went to the game Saturday. I forgot my camera, so I took some phone clips and that is what you will see. Sorry about that, but I just forgot, so I couldn't do that. And then we were really tired after the game, so I didn't vlog. Then this morning I woke up and I did homework pretty much all day. I did make breakfast though, and I will have clips of that in here. You'll see them before you see this. But I tried to take aesthetic clips of me pouring my coffee and making my eggs to make this video more interesting. And I also did want to mention that on Friday I got my nails done. I never showed you guys, but this is what they look like. I think they're really cute, and I just wanted to show them to you guys because I got them done. And my other updates are that my teeth are not any more sensitive than they were before. They look nice and white, I think. Hopefully there's nothing in them right now. But my teeth feel great. My skin is doing a lot better, and it's kind of cleared up thanks to the mask and the other products that I've been using. So those are all of my updates. And now I am just here putting away all my laundry because our dryer has been broken for like, what, 3 weeks now?
Yeah.
So basically our dryer's been broken for an entire month, and I haven't been able to do laundry. So my boyfriend was nice enough to do all of my laundry and bring it to me so that I have clothes now. So thank you so much, Kobe. I really appreciate you. But that is literally all that I've been doing today, and it's already 5:17. So Ashley left to take a shower, and I'm just folding and putting away literally all of my wardrobe. So it's taking quite a while, and I just thought I would mention that to you guys. But we are actually planning to go to campus and get Starbucks, and then after we get coffee, we are gonna go to the gym. I'm also gonna try and take my thumbnail picture. So that's actually gonna be really fun because I'll get to show you around campus a little bit. So that is what I'm doing currently. And whenever something more interesting happens, I'm gonna pull out the camera again and vlog. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. So we are back. We are actually going to the Union right now before we go and take no, we're going to the Union to take my thumbnail picture before we go to the gym. So that is what we are up to. So this is what campus looks like. This is the Union. The Union. So here it is. This is probably not my best work,
Hi,
but
welcome to our crib. Hi MTV, welcome to our crib.
So that is what we are currently doing. And now I have to walk up 4 flights of stairs because I want to take a picture at a very specific place in the Union. So I will pick this up when we get up there. So we are at the spot on top of the Union, but apparently it's a popular spot and lots of people are trying to take pictures here right now. So hopefully we can get this done before the sun sets, but if not, then I guess I'll have to go find somewhere else real quick. Hi vlog, so I just got back from the gym. Audrey is making fun of me right now. So I just got back from the gym. I actually had a really horrible workout because my AirPods weren't charged, so I literally had to work out in silence. And then I did kind of try to get a thumbnail picture, but it was like kind of dark because the sun was setting. So I'm gonna have to see if that one will work, and then if not, I'm gonna literally retake it later on this week and use that. But now we are making rice and fish and green beans. We're trying to eat healthy today because we just worked out. But I think that that is going to be the end of this weekend in my life video because I have a lot of homework to do. And it is 9:05 p.m. So I feel like now is the perfect time to end this video. But if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. But that is all for today's video, so I will see you guys all next time.